Oh, it's inside the car. Not our car.
Demo.
Oh, look at this.
Nope.
Right, another day, another video. Apologies, I've not actually got any car-related content up recently. I've been flat out with work, looking after the little people and doing up the house. However, today that's all going to change. Myself and the little guy in the back, we are heading to Classic Ford show. Not in the Fiesta, unfortunately. I didn't have a chance to get that back up and running on the road, but we're in the Benga bus and he's a mini-me, so hopefully he's going to absolutely love this. This is the first show I've ever taken him to. It's going to be interesting to see how I manage filming and the little man, but we'll see how we get on. Hopefully I can get some sweet content for you guys and we'll both have an awesome day together checking out all of the classic Fords. So yeah, without further ado, let's head on down to the show field and check out the Classic Ford show, and you guys can tag along for the ride.
See race cars.
We'll go see race cars? Come on then. There's loads of race cars. Whoa, look at that one over there. Should we go and have a look at this one? This one's a space framed one. Hang on, I'll fire. Gonna come around here, look at this. I've seen this, this has been rebuilt. Look where the engine is, Ernie. Oh, it's inside the car.
A turbo there.
Oh, it's not a turbo, this one is naturally aspirated. It's got throttle bodies with mechanical fuel injection. Look, what do you think? Is that good?
Yeah. Light.
I think it's like one of the lightest Escorts. Look at the doors, they're made out of fiberglass. It's like half a door.
That was it. Only get in.
Oh, you can't get in it. It's not our car.
Demo.
Yeah, steering wheel.
That button.
Button. Shall we find out where's the exhaust pipe?
Yeah.
Go around. That's proper. Yeah, I'm sure it's like the lightest Mark 1 Escort. Eddie, over here, look. Where is it? There it is. Got a big side exit on it. That is quality. If you look here, look, the belt for the fuel pump drive is hanging out the scuttle panel.
Look.
What's that?
Lightning Queen bad guy.
You see Lightning McQueen?
Look.
We'll go have a look. Bless you. All the parts. Yeah. You want to buy some parts? It's the mirror.
Look.
Yeah.
Look. Angela there.
Anglia. Shall we go and have a look at the Anglias? That's a good idea. There's a lot of Anglias here. This is probably the owners club. Oops. Oh, look at that one there, over there. That one looks good. On the big steels.
I see an engine.
You want to see the engine? What we got in here? Little cross flow. The crazy inlet. Yeah, that's a big exhaust pipe. You're right.
Come with that.
Oh yeah. What's this one? This one looks good. That's interesting, like ST170 with a smoothed rocker cover.
Come with that.
Throttle bodies. Has it got a camera? Where's
Yeah.
the camera? That's the rear view mirror. I like that one. That's cool.
On it, light.
All the Milton bits on it.
See light. Come on.
You want to see light? What light?
That. Down there.
That's the optic for the header tank.
You see.
Oh look, it's got a Z-Tech in it.
Daddy's car there.
It's like Daddy's car.
No.
Mine doesn't have that in it though.
That's right.
You can't sit in these ones because these ones aren't ours. What do you think to the wheels? The wheels look good, don't they? What is it?
That.
Yeah, what is it?
That pump.
Yeah, pump them up. What's down there? You seen how shiny it is? What is it? A little Ford badge?
Yes.
Awesome. Be gentle. I know you want to get involved and touch it, but these aren't our cars, so you can't touch these ones. Ta.
That.
Oh, look at those trumpets. This one's got the retro Ford period racing wheels on it. GT40 style stripes down the side. Oh, look at that one, Ernie. That one's a little race one. Look at the seats in it.
Can't see any car that's been restored.
Oh, look at that. It's got plastic windows and everything.
You talking to him on the camera?
Look, that Angela.
Another one?
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Does he love it?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Have
What
you
we
got, have you got strong arms? Yeah. You have? Right, okay. Because you're going to have to carry this around.
Carry both
You're
round the rails.
You'll have to carry that one around.
Rails.
Whoa, what?
That's for you.
Rails.
You got wheels on it, yeah. Wow.
What? You can play with that one at home, yeah?
Yeah.
Good man.
So what'd you say, Ernie?
There you go. Can,
You look after it? Have you seen how much love this thing's had?
Yeah.
that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Say thank you. Good boy.
That button too.
That's a
when
buckle.
When you're sitting in that, press
Seatbelt.
that so you can undo the seatbelt.
No, it's got Hot Wheels like your hat. Yeah, gently with the cars, because I don't want you to scratch the cars. Follow me. Let's go and have a look around this way. That is a bit of me. Right, let's go in the shed. Let's have a look in the shed and get out of the sun. Wow, look at this. What is it? Oh look, yellow car. Oh, look at this one over here, Ernie. What is it? What have you seen? What is it? Art pipes. An exhaust pipe, yeah. Is that good? Eyes on everything. Oh yeah. It's a poster. Should I carry on? This is a cool angle here. This has got a, I think it's an S2000 engine in it. Should I go have a look? Come around here. Look at the cool colour on it. Oh. Come around here. Look at that. What are you seeing? Yeah, have you seen this car? This car's cool. One of the Harris Anglias. Look at that. It's shiny. Sort of Mark III Fiesta. There's loads of cool cars. Oh wow, look at this van. It's got big throttle bodies, look at that. There's SBD bodies in it. What's that? The van, it's here. Oh, just be careful with it. It's a jerry can. Look, you put petrol in it, but it's got speakers in it. Is that good? Oh. What do you reckon? It matches the same colour as the car, look. Yeah, it's cool. Big steels on it. They're all Fords, aren't they? What can you see? That's an alternator, isn't it? Yeah? Seen the wheels on it? Look at the wheels. They're cool. Big compromated TH split rims. What have you seen? A fan? Yeah, the radiator fan. Oh, look at that old one. Over here, look. Oh, look at that. That's cool. What's that? Is it a Brum car? Yeah, wicked. Annie, this is Zach's old car. Look at the engine in it. It's got a Roadtrek supercharged ST170 engine, as you do. See that? That is a clean little XR2. She's mint. Where are you going? What are you looking for? What is it? Art pipe. There it is. What noise is the exhaust pipe make?
That doesn't do.
That's the lock for the boot. Opens the boot up. Put the key in it, but we don't have the key because we don't own this car. That's it.
That doesn't cassette.
Come have a look at this one over here, Annie. Where's this exhaust pipe on the red one? Yeah, that's got the key as well. Gently with it. Remember I said don't touch. Look, the exhaust pipes on this one's bigger. Is that good?
Shiny.
Shiny?
Yeah.
Does it go vroom vroom?
Light.
Got lights on it, yeah. Wave at the lights. On the front, shall we have a look? That is a cool car. Look at the dash and the steering wheel in there. They're like pre-aero ones. That is wicked. I like that one. Oh, look at this one, Ernie. The retro forward bits on this one. Looks like a Lotus Cortina. It's got a Z-Tech in it. You wanna go look at Kev's car? Follow me. Yeah, follow me. Check that out. Lift you up. Is that good? It's got a big engine.
Nope.
A knob? Where's the knob? Oh yeah, that's for the latch for the bonnet. You turn it on and it goes vroom. Sure it does. Yeah, we're gonna look at the arc pipe. Let's go see if you can find the exhaust pipe. Where is it normally? Oh, it's not there. What about around the side? Go and look around the side. I think it might be down there. There it is. You found it. Wicked. Yeah, it's not on the other side. It's on the out the side on this side. That is cool. Love the big alley cats on it.
Sadly, that was my day. Yeah, but you just become brother car. It's like
It sounds like huge fun. So I know there is only one of these, and I know there's a bit. But would you look the other way if I just took it up the road?
What have you found? Wheels. Quick lunch break. £1 million hot dog and some chips. Oh. Is that tasty? Oh, you jumped a bit. Love the patina on that one. Just needs a YB lump and some big fat steels. Is it bad that I got a P100 on the bucket list? Love a P100. Even with the diesel lump in it. Oh, that one is mint. What you got? Ice cream. Tasty good. Straight for the chocolate. A turbo? Oh yeah, it's a turbo. It's going to be interesting when it's done. Bit of a sleeper. Try to work out if that's a zoo speed, isn't it? Zach, let me know. Jokes. Need to get the jelly slider back out. Do some more skid days.
That noise.
Yeah, hose pipes. Loving the airbox. Check out the setup and big dragster. That's cool, isn't it? Tasty good. Every year they do a big unveiling on podiums with car covers. We didn't manage to get over there in time, but we did have a quick look round after the covers had been pulled off. They had this awesome newly built Borum Motorworks Mark 1, and then there's this lovely dressed up Duratec, I believe it is, in a Mark 2 Escort van. Love the retro sort of heat shield and air filter box. My favourite was this Mark 2 on the big banded steels. Love the graphics, simple yet effective look to it. And then you got this bubble arch Mark 1 Cortina with a big old AUX pipe out the back. Right, all loaded back up. Was that good fun?
Yeah.
What was your favourite car?
Angler.
Good shout, good shout. I think we're going to hit the road. You're going to probably have a sleep and not go to sleep tonight when we try and get you down to bedtime.
Yeah.
Sound like a deal?
Yes.
Awesome. All right, that's it for this video. We're going to hit the road. And until next time, I'll catch up with you guys later. Take it easy.